my name is Crystal and I'm back with a new video. Hi guys, so today's video I'm going to be doing is a full face of nothing new. So none of these products are new in a sense, but in the beauty community, a few months old, new release kind of thing, it's considered old news. So yeah, some of these products are not that old, I would say, but anyway, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I do videos about K-beauty, cosmetics, and skincare, so if you're interested in that, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I recently hit 300 subscribers! Yay! So yeah, thank you. Very humbled, very grateful as well. Thank you guys so much. I know that the last 20-ish subscribers are actually from my friends on Natzero's channel on Discord, so thank you so much. Very humbled. I know y'all watch it, so thank you. I don't know, why am I so giggling now? Big thank you to y'all. Big thank you to my favorite senior, Wayne, Refresher W, so thank you. But yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, so I just put in my contacts. These are the HoneyColor SoReal Earth Grey lenses. I'll put a link down in the description box below. And also put on some lip balm. This is the Dior Lip Addict Glow in the pink color. So just to make sure my lips are moisturized, and like that's about it. So yeah. Now we're going to do, I guess I do my brows first. Okay, I'm back with my brows done, and honestly they don't look the best. Partially because this GinoMcCray one is like a triangular brow shape pencil, so this type. And normally this type of pencil doesn't really give you much control of your brows, so I can see why I struggled. I feel like this looks a little bit red on my skin tone, like a tad bit too red. So what I'm gonna do is play cheat. I'm gonna take my Colourpop brow gel and just comb through and make sure it blends through a little bit better, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm gonna do my eyes now, and then this is the Proof 10 Eye Primer from Etude House. This is a new one. I finally opened up my new one because the old one was just... she was struggling, sis. Alright, so we're going in with the Colourpop Sweet Talk palette, which is what we have over here. And she looks like this. Very beautiful. Very coral, I would say. Pinkish coral, which I usually don't reach for, to be very honest. Alright, so I'm going into the shade Meadow, this shade over here. I'm just gonna take a flat brush like this, and I'm just going to pack it all over my lid. For me, because I want to do like a look where it's like two shadows, but then it looks so blended out, like very smoky kind of thing, very smoked out very nicely into the skin. So what I'm trying to do is taking this clean blending brush, right, and you just keep on blending the edges until it looks really diffused. At least that's what I'm trying to achieve. I don't know, I'm just playing with makeup, to be very honest. I wouldn't want to pack on any more like any other eyeshadow shade, because I kind of like set my primer with the Meadow shade over here, so it's all over my lid. If I were to add any more eyeshadow product on top of my Meadow shade here, it's gonna look a little bit muddy. Also, it wouldn't layer too nicely. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to achieve. I'm trying to get this like very blown out smoky look, smoky coral look. I'll be taking ICYMI, this shade over here, and I'm just going to take it on a very dense brush like this, and then I'm just going to 1, 2 lightly tap off the excess, and also just go on the very like lash line itself, just to give a little bit more definition. I don't want it to be too blown out, and then it kind of loses definition for your eye. This looks pretty alright to me. So now I'm actually going to take this shade called Side to Side. This is a Super Shock shadow. What I'm going to do is take it on my pinky finger. It looks like this. It's very glittery. So I'm just going to pat it on the center of my lids. Ooh, look at that. Alright, so I'm just going to be throwing on my eyeliner and mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright, so lashes on, eyeliner is really small, honestly, just like a little baby wing over there. So yeah, that's about it for the eye makeup, I would say. So yeah, I'm gonna do concealer now. So that is gonna be my base makeup. I am gonna be using this one. This is the SuperStay Better Skin over here. This is in the shade medium if I'm not wrong, and I just use it to conceal my very dark under eye circles. I don't know, I've been sleeping at like 5 a.m. for the past few days. Alright, so that's the under eye concealer for now. I'm actually going to be taking this additional big cover skin concealer because I realized that I'm having a little bit of breakout like here. You can see the little pimple. So we're gonna go in and conceal my breakout that I don't know what's causing me to break out, honestly. I think that I will go in with just a 1 or 2 dots of this because I know this is a very, very light shade of the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I'm in the shade C6.5, but this is super light though. Like, how light is that? That's so light. I'm just going to in with the light a little bit because actually I like how my skin is looking. Very skin-like-esque. So just want to highlight a little bit maybe. Like, look at how bright that is though. Oh god. Taking just a little bit on the nose with whatever like leftover product I have on my sponge because I don't really want to highlight that much. Alright, so that's all for like the base makeup for skin, I guess. But yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna set it with the Fit Me powder by Maybelline. It looks like this. Mine is in the shade number 10. I believe they don't sell this shade of the powder in Singapore, at least, because I bought this in Thailand 3 years ago. Some of these makeup is really old, but you know, they work fine. They don't bring me out yet, so yeah, I think it's fine. Yeah, that's all for powder. I don't really put a lot of powder, to be honest, just a little bit. And yeah, I'm actually really pleased with how everything is looking so far. I believe this is also a dupe for the Laura Mercier powder, which I actually also have, but actually I just picked it up not too long ago, so I don't really have a chance to wear that powder too much nowadays, given our current situation. But yeah. Next, I'm actually gonna contour my nose, so I'm gonna go in with my favorite, one and only Peripera V Shading. And where is my brush? I feel like my nose blends in too well my face a lot of the time, so that's why nowadays I do a lot of nose contouring. It's like kind of my new thing, actually. Then I'm just gonna go into the darker side of things here. Just mixing it, knock off the excess, and just stipple it a little bit of contour. I don't want to look too contoured either, I just want to make it a little quick light dusting of it, I would say. Oh, it's another plane. I feel like the SAF knows when I'm filming. Like, it's as if like they just hijack the camera phone and they'd be like, oh, she's filming. Send the planes over her way. Well, my bangs are looking not as bad, but it's pretty bad still. So I'm actually going to be doing blush now. I'm taking my blush brush from 13 Rushes, and I kind of want to mix pink and coral together, so I'm just going to do that. I'm going to take Partey first by Tarte. The shade over here. This shade Party is actually really nice blush because it mixes so well with any eye look. It's like a neutral pink, and I normally don't wear pink blushes, but it's just that good. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go in with the coral blush. This is actually a mango flower, sorry, oh my god. My Korean found dead in a ditch. Tapping the excess, tapping once more on my hand because I don't want it to be too intense. Just going it on my apples of my cheeks. so there's at least a little bit of a nice little flush to it. And there's also a bit on the other eye, because that's a thing now. Alright, that's the blush actually. Really nice, very subtle. Is there another
Alright, this is it, people. Let's move. Let's go, 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 go.
FYI, this is a joke. I know the world does not revolve around me.
Alright, so now it's highlighting. So highlighting, I'm actually going in with Ofra Drive. Ofra Drive? Rodeo Drive. Going in my Sigma brush over here, going in very lightly, just a quick little roll. Tap off the excess and just like that. Ooh. Maybe I shouldn't have put it there, but oh well. I don't know which color should I wear of all of those that I have picked. Let's try the Cherry Moisture one, I guess, from Etude House. I have not worn this for a very long time. It used to be my thing for a while. Cute, but I can see all like dry lips. To be fair, I didn't apply my Laneige sleeping mask yesterday, so cute though. Especially with the fact that sheer glossy lips are in thing again. So yeah, actually I would think I'll go with this. Actually, it's really nice. What have I been doing? I've been sleeping on this product. Oh wow, my lips look juicy. Ooh, look at my lips, God. Kylie Jenner, she ain't got nothing on me, sis. Wow, that's actually really nice. Wow. Thanks, Geraldine. Oh my god, this was gifted to me like for, I don't know, a few years when I think it was like first or second year in Polytechnic. So yeah, really love it though. I think I'll be going in with I don't know, maybe let's go in with Meadow. Let's go in with Meadow again. And we're just gonna run it underneath the waterline. The lower lash line, sorry. I really cannot talk today. Wow, God. Let's go in with... Should we go in with Feel Free? I scared that it'll be too defined though. Okay, let's not do that. Let's go in with West Side over here. This brown sheet here. Alright, so I think I'm gonna add like mascara on the lower lash line. Hopefully I don't mess up, because if I mess up, there's gonna be one spot on my face. But anyway, my phone actually just stopped recording for no rhyming reason. So yeah, as I was saying, I actually really like this eye look, because normally I don't really like to wear corals. I feel like coral on me looks a little bit off, not gonna lie. So the fact that actually I look decent in this, pretty surprised. So yeah, maybe I have to play with coral more. I think that's the game plan. Because I actually like coral blush on me, but not coral anything else. So coral eyeshadow, coral lipstick on me is just a big no-no. I don't like it. I think it's pretty evident because in my Peripera Ink Velvet review kind of thing, I didn't really like the coral fickle color. Yeah, I didn't really like it. So maybe this is the start of a new relationship with coral. And yeah, I'm pretty pleased with it. So if you excuse me, I'm actually going to leave the house in this to buy breakfast for tomorrow. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, big shout out to all the people on Natzeru's Discord channel. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for your support. Genuinely, from deep down my heart, I really appreciate it. I appreciate y'all as well. And also appreciate all of my fellow subscribers who support me till this very day, and all my friends and family as well. So yeah, before I start to cry, I need to go buy breakfast. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!